Seems there's a lot of people who can't make up their mind on what they want to spend their money on. And I can't emphasize enough that the world of Apple exists for people just like you. In the world of Apple, you don't get to pick what video cards you want. In the world of Apple, you don't get to pick which parts you're going to put together. In the world of Apple, Apple decides all of this for you. And so if you're of the mindset that you think that there's one video card that's better than another, that's universally true for everybody, then you would be better off dumping the PC and joining the people over at Apple. They're all about removing all of your choices. They're all about making your decisions for you. And they're all about protecting you from yourself and your ability to have the freedom to make decisions that are right for you. Nobody can make decisions right for you better than you can. So these types of questions that you're asking would make you ideal Apple owners. And I don't say that with sarcasm. I'm sincere. If you think that one thing is better than another universally for everyone, that is the Apple mindset. When you understand that the reason all these different parts exist is to meet the needs, expectation, and budget of the individual, then you appreciate the whole point of the PC, and you would know that nobody can answer your question about what your expectations are and what your budget is, because nobody knows that. Only you know that. Or maybe close friends that know you well enough that you've had in-depth discussions. It's not a casual discussion. It's not, oh, hey, what computer should I buy? I'm sorry, who are you? And what's your budget? And what are you going to do with the computer? Are you going to upgrade it? Are you just going to let it sit there? Is this something you're planning to keep for a long time? Is this something temporary? Is it something portable? You're going to want to take it around to friends' houses? Is it something that needs Wi-Fi? Is it something that needs a lot of storage? Is it something that needs a lot of processing power, a lot of cores? You're going to be doing video editing, photo editing. It goes on and on and on and for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. And that's the beauty of the PC, is through all of those details, we can then customize parts lists for a PC. Now, Catherine will do that for free. People mention Catherine Anna Hauserman. She'll have that discussion with you. You can expect to spend about an hour to 2 hours minimum to get the information collected that she needs before she can even begin to do the research for you. Or just go to Apple and buy what they're selling. That's the world, and those are your choices. It may be that people who are incapable or unwilling to make their own decisions realize that Apple is there for you. And for the rest of us, understand that what makes us unique, what makes us have our differences, right, is what enables us to express ourselves with designing our own computers. You shouldn't need to ask for anybody's help. It should be all you. You can use Google, you can use PC Part Picker to ensure your parts are all compatible. And then you can shop around however you want to shop and source your parts from wherever you want to source them. And you can pay cash, or you can pay credit, or you can do whatever you need to do to pay. It's all depending on where you buy and what you're willing to pay and how long you're willing to wait and what kind of customer service you expect. And it's all yours to own. Or you go to Apple and all of this is decided for you. You have no say in the matter and your complaints fall on deaf ears. Nobody cares. Take it or leave it. And that's why Apple exists. They're for people who don't want to make their own decisions. It's a lifestyle choice versus a PC is a more it's a choice of individual expression, as well as the freedom of investing more money in hardware that you will actually benefit from having versus some prepackaged thing that everybody else has is all the same. One is not necessarily better than the other. It's not an insult to Apple. It's just how the whole ecosystem works.